nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
Backlash written on me, card rubbing on a dashboard.
This video will fully be dedicated to laundry because I got about 7 loads of laundry to be done / done. And those are clean clothes, but I need to fold them and put them in our dressing. Dirty clothes, I need to wash that in 2 different times. Those are clean towels, I need to fold all of those and put them away. And those are dirty bed sheets.
Ballin', bring my ladies in, counting down, I'm already out. Already on the countdown, I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me, go running from the pole, and it's on me. Don't know which way we're going now, I don't wanna know it. Might as well be going down, I don't wanna know it.
We're going up, we're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story. We're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
Backlash written on me, card rubbing on the dashboard. I've been ballin', bring my ladies in, counting down, I'm already out. Already on the countdown, I'ma set it right. Already on the countdown, I'ma set it right.
For the longest time I have been folding my towels on our bed, but I actually quite like to do the folding on this ironing board. You know, I don't iron, but folding clothes on here is pretty nice for your back instead of folding them on the bed. But I want to make sure it's clean before I start folding my towels on here because it's been a long time. So I'm just using a lint roller. I can also get my vacuum to vacuum this, but then I have to go downstairs. And now all of the dust is gone and we can start folding.
Backlash written on me, card rubbing on the dashboard. I've been ballin', bring my ladies in, counting down, I'm already out.
Come in this store. In this store. We're going up. We're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
Backlash written on me,
We're going under, and there's nothing we can do.
already on the countdown, I'ma set it right. Already on the countdown, I'ma set it right.
It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
Now I am putting all of the kitchen towels under our kitchen sink, and as you can see I tried to organize that space with the little 3 drawers, but I really need to organize it again and clean it too. And when I do so I will film it for you. Oh, and she puked on this blanket last night, so I need to wash this as well. Jette?
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, cleaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave.
Alright, the clothes that we just put in the washing machine are done. So I'm going to take those out of the machine and hang them to dry. And the underwear that I just sorted out needs to be washed. That needs to wait until tomorrow because I need to leave for work.
Had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. I need more of. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? Why don't you stay?
Our dryer is a condensed dryer, so after each time I used it, I have to empty out the water tank, and I also clean our lint filter and clean all the dust.
Stay. Why don't we talk about this? With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing.
It's electric when you kiss me. Never felt this way before. We're magnetic, wanna stay here, closer than close. Up in the clouds, I can see the whole world now. Breathtaking world, can't believe my eyes. Up in the sky, I can.
Maybe you already know, maybe you don't, but underwear is definitely my most hated sort of laundry because it takes so long before you pair all the socks together. Yes, I really hate that. But anyway, what do you love to do most considering laundry? Let me know.
See the whole world tonight. 'Cause you make me feel
right now I am still washing the dirty blankets that Jette threw up on. And this is all the remaining dirty laundry. You know that it takes several hours to do laundry, so I can't show it all in one video. But we washed, dried, folded and put away all of the other clothes, so I'm quite happy with that. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye!